open the file containing the geometry. Select File Open. Navigate to the location where you saved the training files. Select Tutorial 3 Geometry and press Open. Select the Solids Manager. Then select Model Prep. Click on Add History. On the Add History panel, under Radius, set Maximum to 1. Press OK. There should be 52 fillets detected. Press OK. Next, we will modify the fillet radius from 0.2 inches to 0.25 using the Solids Manager. In the Solids Manager, click on each fillet until the bottom fillet is highlighted. Double-click on it and change the radius to 0.25. Then press OK. And click on Regenerate selected. The fillet will appear as shown. Select Home. And then select Analyze Dynamic. Select this face. Make sure that the face cue appears and not the edge. As you move the arrow, the information will update. The radius should be 0.25. Press OK. Click on Part Model to unhighlight the fillet. Next, we will change a fillet radius using the Push-Pull command. Select Model Prep, and then click on Remove History. The solid should automatically be selected. Press Enter or End Selection. Expand Part Model. There should only be Body and Stop Op. Select Push-Pull. Disable Maintain Fillet Radius and snap to auto cursor positions. Rotate the part so you can see the bottom. Select the bottom face. Hover your mouse over the arrow so you can see the ruler and type in 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Then return to the isometric view. Select Push-Pull again. Zoom in, hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. All tangent edges will automatically be selected. Move your mouse over the arrow so that the ruler appears and enter in the value 0.125 and press Enter twice. Press OK and create new operation. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Move your mouse over the arrow and type in 0.125 and press Enter twice. The part should appear as shown. Press OK to exit the command. Next, we will create wireframe for the stock solid. Select the Levels Manager. Change the level number to 2 and enter the name Solid Stock. Change your view to right. In the status bar, make sure C-plane is set to right as well. Then click on Z. Rotate the part and select this endpoint. Then change construction mode to 2D. Right-click in the graphics window and make sure line width is set to thick. Select Wireframe and then select Bounding Box. Select the solid and then press End Selection. Select this corner as the origin. Change the Y value to 8.25 and press Enter. This gives us some extra stock on the top of the part only. Press OK to exit the command. Return your view to right. The geometry should appear as shown. Change your view to isometric. But make sure C-plane is still set to right. We will now create a silhouette boundary. Under Wireframe, select Silhouette Boundary. Select the solid and press End Selection. Leave the default settings and press OK. In the Quick Mask area, click on Select All Wireframe Entities, then press Alt-E on your keyboard to hide everything else. The geometry will appear as shown. Next, we'll trim the geometry. Select this entity and press Delete on your keyboard. And repeat the process with these entities. Select Trim to Entities and set the method to trim 3 entities. Select this entity, and then this one. Your part will appear as shown. Press OK. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this line, then press Delete. The wireframe will appear as shown. Change the C-plane back to top and enable 3D construction mode. Right-click in the graphics window and change the Z depth back to 0. Select Solids and then select Extrude. Select the chain here and press OK. Make sure that the arrow is pointing this way. Change the distance to 12.95054 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Press Alt-E on your keyboard to return the model geometry. Return to the Levels Manager if necessary. Make Level 1 the active level and disable visibility for Level 2. Select 2D Construction Mode and change the Z value to 1. Then select the top view. Select Wireframe and then select Curve One Edge. Then zoom in, hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge and press Enter. Zoom in. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Then press OK to exit the command. Then zoom in fairly close. Select this entity and press Delete. And then select this entity and press Delete. Your part will now appear as shown. Zoom in. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select the inner entity and press Delete. Your part will appear as shown. Select Clear Selection from the Quick Mask area to make sure no entities are selected. Go to Home, and then under Delete, select Delete Duplicates. Make sure there are no duplicate entities. Press OK. Clear colors if necessary. Return your view to isometric. And your part should appear as shown. Next, we will offset the outer contour. Return to top. Under Transform, select Offset Chains. Select this chain here, and then press OK. Click inside of the chain. Make sure method is set to copy, and under Instances set the number to 1, and the distance to 0.85, and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Right-click in the graphics window and clear colors. Select Wireframe, and then select Line Endpoints. Change the type to Vertical. Sketch the line approximately here. Set the axis offset to -4.315 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. sketch the line approximately here and set the offset distance to 4.1 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Next, select Curve All Edges and select this face and press End Selection. Under Solid Edges for Keep Loops, select Outside. Then press OK to exit the command. Change your view back to isometric. Then save your file. Select Save As. Give your file a name and press Save.